This is Michael Brown right here. And over here, the lazy one laying down is my cousin Kyrie, which his mom just called him upstairs. She'll be back later to dance because they gonna battle right now. All right, Michael, go ahead. Get your groove on. What are you doing?
What?
Breakdancing?
No, I'm taking it old school.
Taking it old school. Alright. Here, you hold it, I'll go. Since Kyrie ain't here. Alright, and then Kyrie, Kyrie's gonna go when we come back, right? I'm gonna go for him.
Alright, here
Wait, that's him right now.
Kyrie, go.
Alright, go ahead, Kyrie.
Alright,
Did he go?
You be dancing right now. Go.
Wait, let me see.
The man said the man about to move with me.
Huh?
The man about to move with me.
Move in? With y'all?
Yeah. Where?
Alright, go ahead, Kyrie, dance. Ooh, go. Alright. I got a move that'll beat all y'all.
And here comes
Winnie the Pooh.
Winnie the Pooh. Breezy. Here comes Winnie the Pooh, the dancing master that can beat Chris Brown and even dancing.
Hell no, not Chris Brown.
Who that got the Chris Brown? He got all the.
I ain't calling you out.
That could be
I know.
my cat.
Yeah, that could be you.
Shut up, Harry.
And most of my family.
And we got Winnie the Pooh that does all the Chris Brown moves. Yeah. Oh.
Clean.
Okay.
That was clean though. That was clean.
Was that it? Oh. Still more. Oh. That was the juices. Alright, is that it?
Go.
Yeah, that was it.